Have we started? Good afternoon to our channel English with Akram, and once again we have gathered for the debate. And topic of the debate is plastic is boon or ban. The team sitting on my right will speak in the favor of plastic, and the team sitting on my left will speak against the plastic. So let's start.
So, in my personal point of view, that plastic is not good. Plastic is harming a lot. Firstly, I would say in the plastic does not degrade easily. It stays in the water and soil for hundreds of the year. That is polluting our land. And if it's polluting our land, so do you think that it is good? Of course not. It is harming a lot. And secondly, if I talk about the gases, so it creates harmful gases. Making of plastic and the burning of plastic release harmful gases into the air that can cause global warming and the warm and health problem. So definitely it's not good for us. That's it.
I want to give answer to Naz. Naz has mentioned about pollution and all. So first of all, I want to say here for pollution that we can't totally blame just because means just plastic, because 51% pollution is increasing just because of industries, and 30% pollution is increasing just because of vehicles, and just 90% pollution is increasing just because of plastic. And if we calculate the percentage of this, so means 81 percentage of pollution is increasing just because of vehicle and industry. So means we can't blame just plastic that just because of plastic pollution is increasing. And she has mentioned about that when we use plastic pan, so it spreads ink and all. So first of all, I want to say here that can you use iron pen in place of plastic? Can you use? Of course not, you can't use. So or if I talk about the spreading of ink, so it happens just sometime, not every time.
Okay. Okay, as you are talking, yeah, sorry. As you are talking about the pollution, so what about the marine life? According to the Center of Coastal Research, 80% of the is in 18% of the plastic waste is found in the sea area in India, seashore in India. So it is very harmful for marine life.
As you are saying about it is means plastic is harming marine life, and the 80% wastage is found in ponds on ocean, whatever you are saying. So first of all, who is throwing the wastage of plastic? People are throwing. So we can't blame that plastic is going, and plastic is going into the ponds and rivers. We can't say who is throwing. People are throwing. If people doesn't don't throw, so definitely it can't be happening. And my second argument is about molding. So as I think about plastic, so we can mold plastic in different ways, as I think. Because if we have plastic and we want to make chair, stool or cooler, whatever we want to make, we can make. But if we have other metals and we want to make, means we want to make chair, cooler and all, so we can't make, just we make those things. We can mold those metals. Like if I talk about iron, we can't mold iron in the shape of chair. We can't mold.
Okay. So my second point is about the it's bad for our health. The some plastic containers like water bottle, we use it, but it can release harmful chemicals into the air that is very harmful for our health. What about them?
As you're talking about plastic bottles, so first of all, I agree with you. But as you are talking about plastic bottles, so first of all, I agree with you, it releases harmful gases or whatever you are saying. So first of all, you can use a stand or steel bottle also. But do you know the cost of a steel bottle? It is very costly to compare of plastic bottle. It is very costly.
Don't you know that it is harmful? We can use steel bottles. That's